What's up, guys? Tuna Fish coming back at you with another fun project. This one's for Breakthrough T1D, which was formerly known as JDRF. They are the organization leading the charge for type 1 diabetes research and advocacy. My connection to type 1 diabetes is my son, who was diagnosed at the age of 4, 6 years ago. I am part of the Breakthrough T1D Play stream team, so that means we're raising money and trying to make a difference in the world, one video game at a time. The project revolves around printing the awards for their award ceremony that they do every year. This one's going to take place Thursday, June 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern, so definitely make sure you're there. I was nominated as both a top fundraiser and ambassador of the year for last year, and I am so honored to be a part of this again. So we printed the hearts, which are the top of the awards, along with the stems, and they're buying the base plates plus the plaques, and they will assemble these and get these shipped out to the team. I just want to show you guys the assembly process, everything that went into it, and I just want to express that I feel so honored to be a part of this once again, and I'm happy to be making a difference in the world of type 1 diabetes. So as you can see here, it is printed in 2 pieces. I have it printed that way just to make it an easier print. We do have these little pegs. They fit right in the holes just to help align the 2 pieces of the heart together. They're a very tight fit, so it does help align them very, very easily. Next, we get our CA glue from Bob Smith Industries. Honestly, it's the best CA glue I can find. Works for a lot of purposes. I use it for pin turning as well. We grab the second half of our heart, and we just squeeze them together until they make a nice clicking sound. And then the easiest way to make sure they hold flush is just grab a couple rubber bands. Thankfully, this is a heart shape. The rubber bands just fit perfectly to hold everything together, nice and tight. And that is how we assemble the first heart. Now we got 26 more to go. This year I did decide to do a redesign on how the pin connects to the heart. Last year it just, got glued in. This year I put a thread on the end of the pin as well as inside the heart, and the whole thing just twists together. And then when it goes into the base, we just unscrew the bottom nut. We insert it into the base and we tighten it back down. Now it's time for a montage. So these things came out looking absolutely beautiful. Thank you once again, Breakthrough T1D, for allowing me to take part in the award ceremony creation process. Absolutely love this and being able to make a difference in type 1 diabetes. Guys, make sure you're there Thursday, June 27th, 3 p.m. Eastern. It'll be on the Breakthrough T1D Play Twitch page. I will have the link in the description. I hope to see you there.